Hello, boys. James, Derek, Robert, Lyman. Your birthdays are all in June, and you're about to embark on an amazing birthday race. You are going to travel over 40,000 miles, not to 6 continents, not, and a race around the world, not. Just kidding. But along the way, you're going to be presented with lots of emotional and mental, physical tasks. You will be accompanied by a camera person, and also have a great time. The camera person is not going to help you solve the puzzles or achieve any of the tasks, so don't ask them to. Each of you are going to be given $45 to cover your expenses in the race. That's it. You should take your driver's license and your cell phones only. So all 4 of you are going to be doing this. You're going to be doing it as teams. James and Lyman, amazing race team number 1. Derek and Robert, your amazing race team number 2.
No, this is practice.
Good morning.
Oh. That's supposed to be the secret handshake. What was that?
Go to bed early. I'm going to go to bed early tonight. And also night. Oh my God, 2 things.
Oh.
He said it won't be very hard. And we're here today interviewing 2 participants on the new amazing race. Scared, nervous, excited. I have no idea what this is about. All kinds of adventures ahead.
Okay. We're the same age.
No, I'm 43. So have you 2 worked together as a team before? Well, actually, a long time ago.
Yeah.
You were my little dance student.
No, we've done lots of different things together,
exactly.
so we'll be great team members.
We'll be a great team.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're very resourceful, very creative.
We're very creative.
We can think through things. I don't know if we'll fight. I don't think we've ever fought before. So.
We'll probably fight today.
So, Derek, how long have you wanted to be Amazing Race?
Since I started watching the show.
So how'd you guys feel about being picked for this program?
4 or 5.
4 or 5, yeah.
Well, I think we have an advantage because we work out together. We're pumped. That's right.
Good teamwork going on.
Well, we're younger than the other competing team, I guess.
Should be an interesting day.
All right. We're set. Let's go.
All right, to go?
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
About to embark on the best day ever for your birthday. Thanks, Phil.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks, Phil. You're welcome. All right, are you ready?
Bring it. Bring it. Oh, okay.
To start the race today, you are going to, when we say go, dash, find your marked vehicle. That will give you your first clue, and you'll be off on your day. Are you ready?
Yes.
Go!
You begin the amazing birthday race at a very trendy set in life to be more trendy than pampering the 4-legged friends in your life. Okay. Return My Florist so Clayton the owner, David Lacey. He will instruct how to make the dog biscuits. You have made dog biscuits to the quantity and quality of the instruction. You want any of that? Good. Oh my God. Hi, David. Hi, David. We get to make dog biscuits.
You have to make 20 dog biscuits. You're going to sheet them on the sheeter.
Okay.
You're going to stamp them out. You're going to brand them with our little name.
Okay.
And you're going to get them on the ready to go in the oven.
Oh, cool.
Making little wolves.
Okay, so where do we find?
Let's see, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Oh, yeah, okay. And Katie's going with you. Natural desert that is now home to the caged and the wild. If one of you is a shopping pro, one will know where to go.
What's fun? We have anything up there.
Oh, that's a golf store.
It's the Papago Golf Course right next to the zoo. Got to be a store at the zoo.
Okay.
Do you have keys?
Yep.
It's either the gift store at the zoo or the shopping pro. Okay.
Zoo. Gift shop in the zoo. I was hoping to see some amazing race.
You don't know about it. Okay.
It's gotta be in there, right?
Okay.
The zoo is right over here, you know.
That's what I thought too, because that's caged in the wild. Okay, thank you very much. Appreciate your help.
Running our asses off, panic, and the clue isn't even here yet.
So how did it feel to be ahead of Robert and Galen in the first?
Oh, well, they weren't very enthusiastic about the whole thing, so that was easy.
Yeah. Actually, I didn't realize how competitive I was until we were driving the car and I was going
Speeding.
Yeah, you were supposed to.
Oh, it's about time! Okay, here we go. Leave your golf cart behind, for the bicycle is now your steed. What's a steed?
Yeah,
Cross country you shall travel to unravel your next clue. If you win this competition, a monument will be erected to honor you, but for now that's where you'll find your next clue. Oh, I think this is easy. Well, obviously we're getting on bikes.
Okay.
We go across the country and we got to go to a monument. Well, Hunt is buried over here in Papago Park. You know, the White Pyramid. He was the first governor.
Okay. No, you should wait a minute. Turn over. I think that's the only key of that type.
It's not.
I break. Do I? Then that's what I care about.
Yeah, one that's on. Yeah.
Either I'm out of shape or this is stuck in 10th gear. Pick your bench and take a rest and find your next clue.
Damn.
Fun without visiting your homeless one. Past the zoo and to the south of the course you shall ride to meet your homeless guide.
Stop. Go on. Come on.
Oh, we made it. Oh,
How did you beat the others?
I don't know, because we were behind.
It's true.
Like a homeless person. You may now fly to the land of the midnight sun, Scandinavia. Once you land in Sweden, you must locate its
Ikea.
most famous.
Ikea is known for its clever merchandise displays. In this activity, racers will have to match this display by purchasing 4 of the items in this display and returning to see if they've purchased the right items. If they haven't purchased the right items, they'll be sent back to Swedish warehouse purgatory until they have 4 matching items. There are 9 items and you'll only have to find 4 of them.
The garden. So why don't I go to the garden and ride some this?
Ibiza, Spain, where you blah blah will locate a world-renowned restaurant.
We know that
for
because you found it.
the basic food. Once you found it,
Well, anyhow, he will give you your next
there we
clue.
go.
Okay, so what do we have to eat this?
This is a spicy garlicky gazpacho. It is spicy.
Oh, Jay, that's perfect for
I have a
you.
feeling that's how spicy it is.
Cucumbers will help cool your mouth.
Okay.
That's comforting.
Finish, they get the next clue and they're ready to go.
Oh my gosh, you're done? All done.
You will now travel halfway around the world to the most populous nation on the planet, China. Once in China, locate the Chinese Cultural Center. In the Mystic Garden, under the traditional Chinese pagodas, you will find your next
Okay,
clue.
so that must be chofa.
It's for a scrumptious Pan-Asian meal. Once you have purchased all ingredients, return to these Mystic Gardens, traditional Chinese pagodas for your next clue.
I think this is Thai.
That's rice.
Rice.
And that's beer.
Rice and beer. A certain kind of beer.
I ride those to the high.
rice and beer.
Okay.
To cool your tool that you will use to retrieve your clue. Fly away to Costa Rica via Indian School, west of 56th Street, south to Earl, west to Cherry Lynn, and north to northwest corner to the cool pool to sink or swim. Well, that's our house. So Costa Rica is, our backyard.
Okay. In sink, the rings will be at the bottom of the pool and they will have to choose a tool to get the rings out of the pool. In swim, they will have to take off their clothes, dive into the pool, get the rings out, and go on their way.
You can't just jump.
Are you gonna want dry shorts, James?
Got the clue? Oh, I do.
Oh my God, look at this pool. Now what do we do? Okay.
Through the cave and up the creek, you shall go and find this land of sweat and showers.
Oh, okay. It's Ballys on Cape Creek. Let's go.
Oh, let's ready to go.
Production team isn't even to the next spot yet. So we got snacks and gas. I've yet to find a bathroom. Okay.
He has more patience.
A roadblock is a task only one team member may complete. Which one of you has patience? Tell Galen your answer and he will tell you your task. Okay, it's me.
Okay, you gotta pick one of these envelopes.
Okay.
There's 3 numbers in there. They're a combination to one of the 3 locks that are in the locker window. And you need to open that, bring me the lock and the thing inside.
Complete. Which one of you has patience? Tell Galen your answer. I'll tell you your task. Well, I know I ain't got patience.
I have patience.
Pick one of these.
You won?
Oh, crap.
See you later.
They're gonna hate you. Bye.
Has anybody else been here yet?
Oh, good.
We beat them.
The reticulated giraffe love being fed by birthday boys.
That's us. And you're receiving that clue.
Okay, where are they? Where are they?
Oh, that's all here.
Animal dog.
African dog. Llama.
MSB. No, okay, here we go. That's a zebra.
You might want to. Oh, hey guys.
Where's our map?
Here.
We have our map.
You might want to write down the order you take pictures in, so that as I'm looking through it, it's easier for me to check at the end.
Okay. Here we go. Okay.
Marcopus rufus.
Racers will now navigate to the most international place in town, the Thunderbird Pub, where they'll wait for a pit stop of 20 minutes, where they will be able to get to know other teams or catch up on their reading. Then they'll identify the flag of the day and race to the finish line.
Use your time at the pit stop to rest, strategize, or get to know the other players. When your wait time is over, you will be presented with your next clue. Okay, so we'll get there.
And we drink a beer and wait.
Eritrea. We love it.
Eritrea.
Racers will now make their way to the beautiful island of Tahiti. This is their finish line. The winner of the race will win $1 billion. $1 billion? Do you have the $1 billion bill?
Where do you
want
Just right between those two. Congratulations.
All right.
Why?
And thank you to all of our friends who helped out. Thank you.
Decorations.
Yeah.
Special. Not to say winner. Oh, that's.
We are proud to present you each with a $1 billion bill. But this great race is a celebration of June birthday, so I think it's appropriate for us all to sing Happy birthday, dear David, Derek, and Robert Lyman.